Ever been locked out of your home or business? Or maybe you've misplaced the key to your car or forgotten the combination to that all-important safe of yours. This can be quite frustrating considering the time wasted, the dangers you might be exposed to, and the valuables that stand to be lost. This is why you need the services of a professional locksmith who ensures the job gets done precisely with no hassles. Our team of locksmiths is available 24 hours, 7 days a week, and are just a phone call away. We are trained and certified to handle any situation, from the simple to the more advanced security technology. Licensed, insured, and trusted, our team has satisfied many customers over the years, from putting a smile on their face by arriving quickly to unlock their vehicle, to giving them peace of mind by installing only the best high-security locks for their home or office.